Om Namah Shivaya. So today I will be making Arloo Choka without oil for you guys, and it's very healthy. It's better than the one with oil. It has more health benefits, and it's a sattvic food. You know, good healthy food is not no tamasic, Raj's type of food. So let's get straight into that video. First thing first, you have to boil your aloo. So I finished adding. I'm finished boiling my aloo, as you can see inside here. And now I mash it up with the dal butni. Now I'm going to add in my ingredients. So let's add in the sauce and all-purpose seasoning and the ginger powder. Trust me, ginger powder has many health benefits in it. Great. Let's just mix up those ingredients, those spices inside here. If you want, you could use, as I said, your natural seasoning, but I rather this because it's so better. And to get it that beautiful taste, this is what gets it the great taste. Celery. Celery gives out all great flavors. So let's put it inside here, and let's put the garlic also inside. And now let's continue mixing it again. You wanna mash it like while you're doing it. So all the ingredients will get inside there. Trust me, this is very healthy. This is no oil. But while you're cooking it, you will have to scrub the pot a little bit after. I like to scrub the pot. Okay, put up my pot to heat, and let's wait for it to heat. And it's not. This food doesn't contain oil, so let's just wait for it to heat, then add in our aloo. Pot is heated, let's add in our aloo, and let's just give it a little time to just be there. Now let's fill it up. This is my aloo. You want to with this too and take it also. Just leave this in here and keep turning it for about a minute, and then take it off the stove. Okay, it's finished, and I kind of tried to scrape the pot, but the reason why I scraped the pot is because that thing over there tastes very good. So yeah, just now I'm going to take it out, and I'll show you what I'm serving it with. If you want, you can also leave it for 2 minutes if it has more garlic or onion, but mine did not have onion, it just had garlic and celery. Now it's time for the taste test. This is it. This is for my lunch, but I'm just trying it to see how it tastes. I'm sure it'll taste great, Wow, this is really good. All the taste is bursting out as it enters your mouth, on your tongue. All the taste bursts out. This is really good. For you can do it dal and rice. You can eat it with roti. I eat this a lot with roti. This tastes so good. And just know that this is a very, very sattvic food. No oil, no unhealthy stuff that will cause any bad stuff. So yeah. So basically, I'm vegetarian, so you always see a lot of vegetarian cooking videos here. So if you want to see more videos, like and subscribe and comment. And if you subscribe, you will always get all updates on my channel, and you will get to see all my cooking videos. So yeah, bye. Have a great day.